Hey everybody, welcome to this new video. I'm excited to show you a system which is going to be delivered to a custom this Friday. It's one out of 4 systems that we've installed here to do some final testing. And I'd love to show you a little bit of what we're doing with this system. It's a system which is going to pack items in the shipping carton. So which means if we would make a mistake, then it's going to be expensive, because the products that we are actually packing here are like iPhones and all kinds of quite expensive stuff. So it means that the reliability of this system is super important. So we took quite a bit of measures to make sure that we go for a 100% reliable system. And I'd love to show you a little bit more on the details, for which I've asked Daniel to explain us a little bit. So Daniel, can you walk us a little bit through the system of what it's doing and how we actually make sure that the system is very reliable?
Yes, of course. So we have the system here running now, and you see already a couple of features happening. A couple of things you cannot see. That's because we have in the gripper we have a load cell, meaning that it can measure the weight and compare that with the master data, so that we can know that we have the correct item weight at least. And also what you sometimes see is there are some lights flashing. These are barcode scanners, so we actually do 2 kinds of barcode checks. One is that we have the correct type of item, and even further, we can even look for serial numbers, email codes, voucher codes, to actually ensure with communicating with the master data of the WMS, to ensure that those are the correct ones to the correct customer. For example, if you order an iPhone from Germany, it has to be a specific German iPhone and not a Dutch iPhone, and that we can check with the email check. Furthermore, as Heike was explaining, we are directly placing into a shipping carton. So what you can see is, if an item is upright, it would mean that the shipping carton is higher than needed. So of course we want to reduce the volume a little bit. So we have a flipping unit, which then can tilt the item by putting it on the lowest surface, so that we can ensure that we have the lowest shipping volume. And furthermore, you can see there's a HMI. In the HMI we have a very operator-friendly interface, which we can use. Then if something goes wrong, you get clear instructions what has been going wrong and how you have to finish the order line manually. So by that we can ensure that if something goes wrong, we go into an error state. The operator can see what is the state of the system, what has to be done. So many items have already been placed. I still need to place and scan these items and then finish the line manually, and then we can just resume and continue with normal operations.
And ready for delivery on Friday?
So this is the internal acceptance test running right now. So this is where we make sure internally that it's up to our standards. Tomorrow the customer is coming for a factory acceptance test. And after the factory acceptance test, the system will be broken down and be delivered to the customer.
Great, thanks so much. And thanks for watching again. If you have any questions about this system, let us know, send us an email, give us a call, and happy to explain more on what we're doing. For now, thank you very much and see you in the next video.